Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. First of all, what you have to do is, of course, we just have to open our TikTok application and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. So as you can see the draft here. So for example, let's take this draft as an example. Let's say that I would actually want to transfer this draft to my new phone. So what I'm going to do is just click on the draft right here. Then I'm going to click on this next in the bottom. And actually we are going to post this draft. But hang on just a second. I'm going to show you exactly what you are going to do. You are not going to post it so everyone can see. You are going to post just so you can see basically. Now I'm going to click on where it says everyone can view this post. Then click on this only you. Then we are going to click on this post, and as you can see it's currently posting. Just tap on your profile picture again. Now what will happen is that when you get your new phone, you can log in to your TikTok account and you will be able to have that video, but it's just going to be for you, so nobody is able to see it. It's just you. So it's basically almost like a draft. So you are able to actually get this draft to your new phone doing this. Unfortunately, as of right now, this is the only way you can actually transfer your TikTok drafts to your new phone. Just tap on this lock icon and as you can see, here is your draft. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.